Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your signature in Yahoo Mail. So let's go to the Yahoo Mail first. In this Yahoo Mail, you have to click on this three dot more option, then scroll down and you'll find here mail settings. This one, click on this. Now you have to click on this writing email. Now you'll find here signature option. You have to just toggle this on and then you can write your signature here. Okay, here's a signature. You can change the text color or text size. If you want to text size should be large, it will be large like this. Just select this and make it large, it will be large like this. If you want to color it, you can color it from here, any color you want. Okay, it will be yellow, it will be red, it will be green, it will be anything, any color you want you can choose, but I'm remaining black. Alright, now if you want to make it italic, you can just select this text and make it italic here. If you want to make it bold, you can bold it here. Okay, if you want any attachment or link, you can add your link here. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.